watching, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else. Cause this who channel we on.
What up, Mama Jones squad? Welcome to the shenanigans, you guys. And today, Mama Jones is gonna prep her pork roast, you guys. And tell y'all what I have. I have some salted European butter. I have Lipton onion. We have garlic, black pepper, slap your mama, Sazon, Cajun seasoning, some holy smokes, some liquid smoke, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. I'm going for the smoky, holy smoke flavor. So yeah, so with my butter, I melted my butter. And I also have my injector, y'all. So I'm gonna add my little garlic powder into this butter. That's onion powder, my bad. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Okay. And I'll add a little slap your mama. Let's slap your mama. Yeah, slap your mama. Hey. And we're gonna add some holy smoke seasoning to it. And I'm gonna add a little liquid smoke to it. So I want that smoky flavor. We gonna see, baby. We gonna see. All right, now. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna let that sit there. Okay. And my roast. Got my knife. So I'm finna cut holes into my roast. Any way you can cut them. I'm gonna stuff the holes with garlic. So, any way you could get the garlic, stuff it. Try to get some of that fat off of them. Hey, I can't wait to see how this is gonna taste, y'all. But I'm shooting for the smoky, garlicky, oniony flavor. I'm not gonna put no bell peppers or nothing on this one, because I'm shooting for a whole different ball game. Just a bone back there. Get that stuff real good. All right. Flip this one over. Let's see, could I get it some in here somewhere? All right. Still trying to find some more spots to get it in. What's up on? So any way you could get the garlic, get it in there. And I'm not sure what I want to do. I'm not sure if I want to bake these or put these in my rotisserie. I might bake one and put one in the rotisserie. I don't know yet. I'm just trying to get garlic anywhere I can get it now. Extra holes. All right. Now, take my injection needle, stir that up a little more, get that seasoning whipped up in there like that. Come on, butter. Ooh. And we just gonna get the injecting this European butter. I seen the European butter in the store. And I'm like, I never seen European butter, never tried European butter, so yeah, I'm coming up with something with this European butter, babe. We gonna see what the European hitting for. And I did 2 sticks of the European butter because I have 2 roasts. And I just wanted to make sure it was enough. Hey, my tongue is wiping all, man. All right. That's good enough for that. Now, let's get the seasoning this bad boy. Okay, I'm gonna come back again with the holy smokes. We're gonna do a little Saison. Some black pepper. Some Cajun seasoning. Some Slap Your Mama. Onion powder, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. Next, I'm gonna do some liquid smoke Got my bags. Little season on. Dang it. And of course, a Lipton onion pack. Okay. Pour this rest of this butter on top. It's open. Let's get it massaged on in there. Yes. Now, let me wash my hand right quick. Look at this Mama Jones, cage in here. Now I'm gonna add a little more of the smoky flavor. And add cap more of liquid smoke. Of course, y'all know I did taste it to make sure it was hit. Nah, you need a hit of that more. You need to know. Bag. This bad boy. Right, stay tuned. Get my other bag. Here. Show the air on my bag. Tie it in a knot. Put it on in this bag. And on to the deep freezer, you guys. And y'all wonder why I do this. This cut, your food gonna be seasoned real good and gonna be all the way down to the bone. But when you do a lot of cooking for Thanksgiving, you will want to prep your food ahead of time. Like, once I do this, I done this. So once I take this out and thaw, sometimes if I get the bag off of it without it thawing, it gonna go in that pan, baby. But yeah, all I have to do is run it in the oven, you guys. Put it in the pan, put some foil, run it in the oven, or put it in the rotisserie, whatever I'm gonna do. It's already seasoned. Everything is seasoned. All it need to be done is cooked. So yeah, that's why I do this, y'all. Cause normally I cook a lot, and it's just a habit of me prepping my food ahead of time. So now I'm finna next video. So y'all stay tuned if y'all want to learn a little more. But yeah, I'm gonna prep them greens next and show you what to do to your greens. Yeah, cause it's overpowering when you're in the kitchen and you cooking everything. Yeah. So all I'm gonna have to do is cook. Run my meat in the oven. Now don't watch me, I'll be prepping sides too, but yeah. And Mama Jones baking. I'm gonna bake a couple cakes, y'all. It might make my walnut pie. So y'all just got to stay tuned with these videos and see what Mama Jones got going on. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe on Gang.
Head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head.